tinuturo ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo na sa pagkakasal ay pinapagsasama ng Diyos ang lalaki at ang babae upang maging isang laman lamang sa paningin ng may kapal. Dahil dito'y iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina at makikisama sa kanyang asawa, at ang dalawa ay magiging isang laman.
Hi, mahal. Here's my gift. Na parang alam mo na kung ano. Okay. Palitan mo na kasi yung wallet mo. Gulagulanit na. Haha. Anyways, happy wedding to us.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak.
Dearest Pam, I grew excited as each moment passed by, knowing I'd finally marry you. The girl I'm 100% willing to share forever with.
So as long as I live, I love you.
Yes, Pam, yung bag, yan po yung gift wrap. Hindi kasi ako marunong mag-gift wrap eh. Pero sana alagaan mo din yung gift wrap, pati yung mismong gift. See you later, my beloved Pam.
You look so beautiful in white tonight.
Just a few hours left. Papalitan mo na surname ko. Mahal, I promise to be a good wife to you. Magtutulungan tayo sa lahat. Basta, ayoko ng madrama. Okay, sorry. Sorry po. I love you so much.
With all my heart, I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you. We'll have it, hold you. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight.
From this day onward, rain or shine, my heart would only belong to you forever. I love you, Pam. Son, son.
So beautiful in white tonight.
Bayaang ang mga singsing na ito'y maging tatak ng inyong pinagbuklod na kapalaran at ng inyong pagkakasundo, pagsusuyuan, pagmamahalan. Mula ngayon ay natatalian kayo sa isa't isa hanggang sa kayo'y papaghiwalayin ng kamatayan.
You look so beautiful in white. You look so beautiful in white. So as long as I live, I love you. We'll have it all, you. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight.
Ang pinapagsama nga ng Diyos ay huwag papaghiwalayin ng tao.